Hi guys, so in this video we are going to be looking at how we can quickly create a subtotal for our list. What we have here is a list of order numbers having customer ID, order date, priority, quantity, product code, and blah blah blah. So what we want to do is to add the total cost based on the product code. So by the time we are done, we are going to be having something like this, which is something like this. So what we have here, we have all the products A, this is the subtotal of the product A, all the products B, this is the subtotal, all the products C, products D. Now you can easily do this using the sum function. All you can do is just to sort your products based on the product code and then add a new column, then do your sum, then do all those. So that's the manual way. So if you want to get Excel to do this job for you, that's where we are going to be using the subtotal function of Excel. So the first thing that you're going to be doing is coming to the data tab. Now my Excel is already on the data tab. So what you want to do first is to sort your list based on what you want to do your subtotal based on. So for example, if you want to perform your subtotal by grouping the products, then you have to sort it by the product. In this particular video we are going to be doing it by the product. So if it is by priority, you will be sorting by priority. If it is by quantity, you also be doing same. So for this one, you are going to be doing sorting by product. So in order for you to sort your data, you can easily come here to sort, then it requests for what you want to sort by. So we want to sort by the product code, cell values, leave that, and then the order. So select yes. So what we have here is our products being sorted in A, B, C in that particular order. So all we have to do is just to come to the subtotal button here, and once we click on the subtotal button, Excel does all the job for us. So it's requests for what you want to do your subtotal on. So you can either do it based on the total cost or the unit price, or any other one that has digits, or the quantity. But for these, we are going to be doing it with the total cost. Now you can also perform the subtotal function based on these functions, either sum, count, average. So if you want it to be based on the average, it will give you the average of products A, products B in that order. Then so for this particular one, we are going to be taking a look at the sum. So we want to know how our data has been grouped. At what change do we want the subtotals to be performed? So we want it to be at the product code. Once we select all these options and we click OK, Excel does all this for us. So we have our product A. This is the total sum of our product A, for our product B as well, for our product C, and D and E. So basically that's it. So thank you very much for taking your time to go through this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.